Well, it's a new year and you want to start it off right by earning another source of income. Well, you come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to share 7 different methods that you can use to put some extra cash in your bank account. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video because as I go down the list, the earning potentials for these methods are going to increase. So starting off at number 1 is a website that'll pay you to test out other companies' websites. This website is called usertesting.com. So the way that this method works is you go to other companies' websites, you complete a set of actions, you test out their website to see if it's fully functional, and you get paid for testing it out. Now, how to get started is you simply go to their website and you apply to become a tester. You're first going to take a qualification test when you apply to this website as a tester, and once you're approved, then you can start getting paid for testing out other companies' websites. Now, there's 2 types of tests that you can take as a contributor. One of them is called live conversation. This is where you have a live interview with one of User Testing's customers. So it's a pretty simple process. You'll meet with the customer via live video conference and you'll just casually talk about your experience on their website. Now the second test is a recorded self-guided test. Sometimes it might be referred to as an unmoderated test, and this is something that you do on your own within your own time frame, and you just simply complete a set of actions on that website. Now this is a great way to make a few extra dollars. You can do this on your desktop or you can do it on your mobile phone, but you would have to download their app. Now, as far as how much you can get paid from this website, I wouldn't recommend to quit your day job to become a full-time tester because you're only going to make a few extra dollars using this method. Now, just as an FYI, this company pays you out through PayPal. Method number 2 is a website that pays you to test out video games. This website is called Playtest Cloud. Now the process to signing up for this website is pretty simple as well. You just simply apply and then they're going to send you a qualification test. Once you pass that qualification test, this website will send you out emails to invite you to test out other games, which you can then start getting paid for. Now don't worry if you don't pass the qualification test the first time around, you can always retake the test until you pass it. Now what you're going to need in order to start testing out video games is a cell phone or a tablet. They do recommend having a newer device as game developers cater to newer phones and tablets. Now, as far as how much you can make using this method, they do state that this is not a full-time job. So generally, a 15-minute playtest will reward you about $9. Now, whenever you receive an invitation to test out a game, it's going to state how much you're going to get paid once you complete that test. Now, the way that this company pays you out is a little bit different. They'll send you an email for the amount that they owe you, and you can either transfer that into a gift card or you can transfer it to PayPal. Method number 3 is selling print-on-demand merchandise. If you've ever heard of websites like Redbubble, Zazzle, Etsy, Teespring, these are all websites that you can create a graphic design and put that design for sale on merchandise. You can list your graphic designs on merchandise like backpacks, hoodies, t-shirts, sweaters, coffee mugs, and there's a whole lot more. Now this is a method that I've personally done myself. So what you're going to need in order to get started is I would recommend to use a website like canva.com. Now this website is a lifesaver if you don't know how to use softwares like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. And Canva just makes it so much simpler to use because everything is just drag and drop. Now I would recommend to get the pro version of Canva because not only are you going to get access to their thousands of premium templates, but there's a tool that you're going to need in order to remove the background from your graphic designs. So once you create a graphic design, you just simply go to any of these websites, create an account, create a store, and then you're going to upload that graphic design on any merchandise that you want to list for sale. You can actually take one graphic design and re-upload it onto all of these websites onto different merchandise, which increases your chances of making a sale. Now, the way that this method works is whenever you list a graphic design on merchandise for sale, whenever somebody purchases that merchandise, that company will then print it and then ship it out to the customer. With the exception of Etsy, I believe that you need to have a third party to print and ship out your merchandise to the customer. Now just keep in mind, each of these websites charge you a fee every time you sell something on their platform, plus the cost of printing and shipping. Now when you list your merchandise for sale, you can sell it for any price. So make sure to keep this in mind and also factor in the cost of printing and shipping. That way you can still make a profit. Okay, so real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, if you want to learn more methods to start earning online or how to start an online business as a complete beginner, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. All right, now let's get back into the video. Method number 4 is renting out your driveway or your garage. If you're someone who has extra space in your house and you want to make some extra money by renting it out, you can do that by using a website called neighbor.com. Now, if you've ever used a service like Airbnb, it pretty much works the same way. When you list your empty space for rent, people will start to reach out to you if they're interested in renting out your space. You can message back and forth with them, working out all the details, such as the move-in date and when they can access their stuff. And you can also set your own price that you're charging people to rent out your space. Now, this service is a monthly rental service, so you would be renting out your space per month. Now, the way this process works is that the renter pays Neighbor.com, and then Neighbor.com pays you as the host. Now, just keep in mind that this website does charge you as the host a processing fee of 4.9%, and then they pay you out through Stripe. Moving on to method number 5 is selling an online course. If you have a certain skill that you can teach to other people, you can definitely monetize that skill. Now, the way that you can do this is creating your own course and uploading it onto platforms like Skillshare or Teachable. So let's say you're a professional at photography. You've been doing it for years and you want to teach it to other people who are getting into that skill. You can create a photography class for beginners and upload it onto a platform like Skillshare. Now, the way that Skillshare pays you as a teacher is they pay you whenever somebody is watching your course. But more specifically, it's based on how many minutes of your course is watched. So the more students that are watching your course, the more minutes that you're going to have of watch time for your course. And more minutes watched means you get paid more as a teacher. Another platform you can host your own online course is called Teachable. Now, this is a platform where you can set your own price for people to enroll into your course. Now, when you upload your course on this platform as a teacher, there's different plans that you can choose. Now, you can upload your course using the free plan, but you are limited to only uploading one course. And they do charge a transaction fee anytime somebody enrolls into your course. Now, if you know that this is something that you want to go all in on, you might want to invest into one of their paid plans. When you purchase one of their paid plans as a teacher, you get access to more features and you pay less in transaction fees. Method number 6 is a digital marketing agency. Now, this method seemed to be pretty popular in the last couple of years. And if you don't know what a digital marketing agency is, it's just where you're simply contacting small businesses like dentists, chiropractors, small restaurants, and then you offer to create them a better website that will bring in more customers and more business. Now, some of these small businesses don't even have a website at all. Now, the method that I've seen other people talking about is they just simply go on Google and they'll type in something like dentist office near me. And then they'll check to see if that dentist office has a website. And if not, they'll call them up and create a mock website using their logo and giving them a demonstration of what their website could look like. And even if they have their own website, it's usually a super basic website that looks kind of ugly. So what they'll do is they'll create a mock website using their company logo, colors, and they'll call them up and show them how better their website could look. And they'll just simply add more features to their website that can get their business more customers. Then you just simply charge them a monthly fee to create their website and add some features that will help improve their business. Now, you as a digital marketing agency, you can charge anywhere between $100 to $300 a month per business by just adding some simple features. Now, the features that you can offer can be something like collecting phone numbers, collecting emails, building an email list, having a follow-up sequence with leads, building a website if they don't already have one, and there's a ton more of features that you can add. Now, if you are going to use this method, you're going to need a software. And everyone that I've seen talking about this method is using a software called Go High Level. This is an all-in-one software that gives you access to all these features. Now, this is a paid software and the lowest plan starts at $97 a month. But if you're going to start a digital marketing agency, you're going to need their higher plan, which is $297 a month. I know that sounds kind of pricey, but if you start getting businesses to pay you every single month, you can start to make a profit really quickly. Now, there's even a higher price plan from Go High Level, which allows you to white label their software and rebrand it as your own. Now, I'm actually using Go High Level, but it's rebranded as the GOAT Systems. And I actually have access to all their premium features without paying the premium price. So I'm currently paying $97 a month for the GOAT Systems and getting access to all the features that Go High Level has to offer. Now, this is just one of the many possibilities that you can have when you have a software that you can white label as your own. Now, like I mentioned, as of the recording of this video, I'm currently paying $97 a month to get access to all the features that Go High Level has to offer from their premium plans. And to be honest, I don't know how long it'll stay at this price. If you're watching this video in the future, it's probably gone up already, but it's still a good deal because you're still getting access to all the features that Go High Level has without paying for the higher tier plans. And let me know down in the comments if you want to get access to that as well. Okay, the last and final method is my personal favorite, and that's affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just simply where you're promoting products from another company's website, and whenever you send a customer to purchase that product from that company's website, that company will pay you a commission. Now, when a lot of people think about affiliate marketing, they think about Amazon because it's the most popular affiliate program out there, but to be honest, they don't pay very well when it comes to commissions. And I've personally used affiliate marketing to earn thousands of dollars online. Now, if you want to earn a substantial amount of income with affiliate marketing, the old method that people were using were selling high ticket courses. These are courses that go for $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 and up. Now, when you're promoting these high ticket products, that means you're going to be earning commissions of $2,000, $5,000 or more. Now, that method was working pretty well a couple of years ago, but not so much in 2024. So let me explain the new and improved way of earning with affiliate marketing. And that's promoting a product that has continuity. Now, if you don't know what continuity means, it just means you're promoting a software or a subscription-based service. So for example, if you've ever seen people promoting a software like ClickFunnels, which is a sales funnel software, anytime they get somebody to sign up with that software, they're gonna get paid every month if that person is still paying for that service. So the benefit about promoting a product that has continuity is that you don't have to go out and look for new customers to purchase your product every single month. If people are paying for a software or subscription every month, that means you're gonna earn residual income every month. And this is the best way to earn a consistent $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month online. Now, if you wanna learn how you can use this method to start earning online, even as a complete beginner, check out the link in the description of this video for a 5-day live challenge. This challenge is perfect for anybody who's been on the fence about getting started earning online using digital marketing and this strategy, or for anybody who's been struggling to get results online. Now, this challenge is taught by my mentor who's used this exact same strategy to earn over 6 figures online.